Good day to everyone. Today we are celebrating our JPR School 17th anniversary with the blessings of our founder, late Colonel Dr. JPR Sir. Nothing great will be achieved without great men. Yes, we have a great woman behind all our achievement. It's none other than our Honorable Chairman and Managing Director, Madam Dr. M. Regina JPR. I am extremely privileged to have the opportunity to thank you, ma'am, at this moment for your caring and support. It is also an opportunity to reminisce and to prize the memories of our school. Our school has grown significantly over the years, and I applaud the passion and commitment of our staffs, and we as a family will render our service. My best wishes and prayers for our school continuing success. Now, to show our gratitude, a small program by our staff, students, and alumni. Here we go.
As the deer panther fall, the waters of my soul alongside the thee. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. And I long to worship thee. And I long to worship thee.
Tam 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 takita takum tarikita takadim dim dim takita takum tarikita takat tom 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 takita takum tarikita takanam nam nam takita takum tarikita takat tam 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 takita takum tarikita takadim dim dim takita takum tarikita takat tom 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 takita takum tarikita takat nam 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 takita takum tarikita takat tam tam takum tarikita takat dim dim takum tarikita takat tom tom takum tarikita takat nam nam takum tarikita takat tam tam takum tarikita takat dim dim takum tarikita takat tom tom takum tarikita takat nam nam takum tarikita takat tam tam takum tarikita takat dim dim takum tarikita takat tom tom takum tarikita takat nam nam takum tarikita takat kita takat dik kita takat nom kita takat nam kita takat tak kita dik kita tom kita nam kita tarik kita tom tam tak kita dik kita tom kita nam kita tadim kita tom tadim kita tom tak kita dik kita tom kita nam kita tadim kita tom tadim kita tom tadim kita
Hi everyone. It gives me a great pleasure to speak about JPR School on its 17th birthday. Yes, our school is celebrating 17 years of dedicated service in offering quality education to the students. After getting a great success in higher education, our founder, A great educator and philanthropist, Dr. JPR started this school in 2003. It is heartening to note that at a time when education is seen as a good business enterprise, JPR institution stands out with committed service as its mission. In a short span of 17 years, our school has earned a great reputation. Today, under the leadership and guidance of our director, Madam Dr. M. Regina JPR, our school is marching forward to reach its highest tone. I'm also pleased to note that the system of education in our school ensures the overall growth of the children, make them highly intellectual, competitive, physically fit, emotionally stable, and spiritually fulfilled through the value-based unique program. The parents and the students of our school are blessed a lot. You have chosen the right place, the right school, where the values of life are molded without any reference to any particular religion. Dear students, enter this school and survive in the battlefield of life. Learn well and face life well. Values are valors in your wallet. It is these values that will mark, manifest, and magnify your own self and your life. Growth makes us unbeaten, statistics makes us to the top. But what drives us ahead are the divine grace and the parent support. May the Almighty bless our school with courage, strength, and wisdom to march forward in its mission in the years to come. Thank you.
Hi, this is Margaret, an alumnus of Batch 2017. First of all, I would like to congratulate our school on its anniversary. We usually have our alumni meet on this day, but due to the unfortunate events, I don't think it would be possible this year. But let me tell you that we really had the time to realize a lot of things during this time. First of all, we were really fortunate to have the privilege to stay in the comfort of our homes, while most did not. And I think for the first time in 4 years, we really had the time to reconnect with our school friends. And let me tell you, it's been a blast, seriously. Every day, I make sure that I take a little time to spend with my school friends, and it's been the best. Um, on behalf of the batch of 2017, I think it's safe to say that the school has always been a better part of our lives and will always be. Since most of us grew up in that school, I think we never really had the preview of the real world. So when once we got out there, we kind of struggled for a bit, and eventually we got the hang of it. But out of experience, let me tell you, that be prepared for the real world because it does not have the comfort of our school. Be kind to one another, find the fun in every moment, and search for the goodness in every person. That's what my school taught me. So, on that note, I would like to thank all my teachers and my fellow classmates for everything. All the best, girls, and please make sure you and please do reach out if you need anything. We're always here for you. Thank you.
Good morning. This is my privilege to give a speech on the special occasion of celebrating the 17th anniversary of our JPS school, in which I am on a part of this school for the long 16 years. Today is the day to celebrate the success of our management over the last 16 years. Our beloved chairman established the foundation with the intention of channeling his resources, experience, and passion into creating opportunity for many students to shape their career. He equally led to the development of our sporting academy also. At this juncture, we are grateful to our beloved Director Ma'am for giving this platform to render our service. I always feel like a family amidst my colleagues and students. I wish our JPR school to continue this successful journey. Thank you.
A bright morning to all. I am Shantini. I like to share a few words on this wonderful occasion. Our school started in the same day, 5th October 2003, by our beloved chairman. My journey in our school started in 2005. I am really blessed to work in our institution. Not only blessed, I am proud to say that I am a part of JPR group of institutions. Today we are celebrating our school's 17th birthday. I pray to God that we should celebrate 70th birthday as well. Many generations should benefit by our school. I like to quote a mantra said by our Honorable Chairman. Entry is not important, exit is important. Yes, according to our Chairman's word, whomever joined in our school while going out, they are flying in different colors with our Chairman's blessings. Thank you.
Morning. It gives me immense pleasure to share my thoughts and memories of our alma mater, JPR School, which is celebrating 17 years of excellence in enduring knowledge, skills, and education to young minds. The reminiscence of our beloved chairman, Colonel Dr. JPR, Justice, Parity, and Rejoice. The name says it all. I am very proud that I've been a part of this great institution for more than a decade and have been treated with utmost respect and like a family. I thank our dear Director Ma'am for showing extreme care and concern towards each and every one who has been a part of this family. I wish and pray that our JPR school will attain and achieve more and more success and glory in the upcoming years. Thank you.
For the 17th year of anniversary of our school, and it has been filled with the blessings of God, and I am grateful and thankful to our beloved chairman and our director madam who has given me an opportunity to be the part among us in our JPR school. The school not only cultivating the ethical growth, also giving them immense of knowledge, and we are giving more importance on the safety of our children. Safety is our first priority. The next 17 years, there will be a great impact in our school. Definitely, I hope that. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good morning to all. Today, October 5, we are celebrating our JPR school. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, JPR school. I'm thanking our beloved chairman and director ma'am who gave this opportunity to work in our institution. And then, if we talk about our school children not only getting their education in JPR school, they are also developing their skills. Those who went out, they are showing their talent in many ways in all their institutions. So thanks for our management who gave the opportunity for the children to get their education as well as their skills. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all. I am here to deliver a few words on our proudful JPR school. JPR school is very well known for providing food, for its discipline, and for security. Our school excels in providing an equal opportunity to each and every student to shine by improving their academic rankings and as well as motivating them to participate in other extracurricular activities like sports, inter-school competition, etc. We celebrate each and every occasion in a very grand way, which gives us an unforgettable memory. So I must thank our chairman, late Colonel JPR sir, and our director ma'am, Mrs. Regina, for making a building of 4 walls with tomorrow inside. Thank you so much and proud to be a JPR.
Hello everyone, I'm Tamilni from 10th standard and I'm very glad to talk about my school on this special 17th anniversary. I feel very nostalgic when I realized that I had spent almost 13 years in my school. Our school taught us everything. Each and every day that I spent in my school was a new beginning and gave lot of experience. Our school has good teaching faculty, beautiful buildings, large playgrounds, libraries and various labs. My school is my family because I have never found myself alone. I am very glad when I realized that I have 2 more years to spend in my school. A very happy 17th anniversary of our school. And I also wish to thank our Honorable Chairman Sir, our respected Director Ma'am and all our teachers. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Charmati from 9A. I am very proud to be an JPRI. In this 12 years, I was very happy to be educated in this institution because they have provided me a good teachers and facility for my education. And a very heartful thanks to our founder, Dr. Colonel JPR Sir. Thank you.
I am Tarini here from class 9. I am extremely happy that our school is entering 18th year and I am looking forward for many successful years ahead.
Hi everyone, I am Katie Harita from 10A. Since 2008, I am traveling in this JPR school. The way of our teachers guiding us is a wonderful approach to develop our skills. It targets each student and helps them based on their individual talent. Like that, I had an individual talent in drawing and that skill is improved by in this school only. My teachers are the best teachers in my life. In one thing, we are unique from other schools. Can you guess it? Let me tell. That is none other than cake cutting in all of our birthday. No other school did this and that happy moment is given by our respected chairman sir. Each and every second we all are motivated by his 3 words, that is courage, confidence and character. We all have full freedom to do what we need is given by our respected director ma'am. I am proud to be a JPR rate. I am concluding by our chairman sir's words. Entry is not important, exit is important. My dear fellows, be unique and be patient. Thank you.
Hi all. First I thank my class teacher for this wonderful opportunity to speak about our school. We are very much benefited from our school, like intelligent, caring and friendly teachers. Our JPR school was founded on 5th October 2003. It motivates us in everything like sports, extracurricular activities,
studies, inter-school competitions and etc. It provides us wonderful knowledge, food, classrooms and computer labs. It provides a happy, caring and safe environment for the students. Every teacher work hard individually to satisfy every student, and our school teachers are self-disciplined. It provides air-conditioned vans to commuting from home to school and back. It provides medical facilities. I thank our chairman sir and director ma'am for this wonderful opportunity, and I am proud to be a JPRite.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends, this is Premlata from 9th standard B section. I am honored to talk about our school. As we all know, today is the day where our school starts to bloom. Our JPR Matriculation High Secondary School was started by our former chairman of JPR Institute, Dr. JPR, in the year 2001. I am so proud to study in the school because the school is located in a very wide area, extreme security and also high quality transport and food. My class teachers are taking classes very friendly and understandable. We participate in other activities also like image minds, sports, culturals, etc. Now our chairman Regina ma'am, also the way of JPR sir, what does. Thank you for this opportunity.
Hi everyone, I am Priyadashini of 9th standard. I am very excited to talk about our school on our school day. I know our JPR school is one of the best schools. There may be many schools which are better or best, but I never think to change my school anymore. Our school teachers are not only a teacher, they are always a good caretaker also. The extra activities in our school are being the very good energy drink for us. Till now we are missing a lot. Our Honorable Dr. JPR sir, our school principals are very good leader for us. I am thanking our Honorable Principal ma'am, our school teachers and our non-teaching staffs. I love my school very much. One full day is also not enough for me to talk about our school. But I have to finish my talk in a given time. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me.
Hi, this is Ansanda of class 9th in JPR CBSE school. Our school has completed 17 years of teaching successfully. I would like to thank Director Ma'am and Principal for their dedication. I would like to thank our teachers who gave us support and encouragement. I would like to thank my school who gave this opportunity to talk about my school. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. I am very happy to welcome you all for this 17th birthday celebration. We will work together to bring up our institution to be the best institution. I am very proud to be a part of our institution. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Welcome to our 17th JPR anniversary. JPR school not only giving the education to the students, it also provides knowledge of wisdom and courage. So I am proud to be part in this school. Thank you all.
School is a place we learn new things, good manners, respect elders. JPR school is our school. Our school provides knowledge and improve the students' creativity. Our school is a students-oriented school. It develops the mental and physical health of the students. Our school provides good creator to our nation. I am very happy and proud because I am a staff of JPR school. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. On the special occasion, 17th anniversary of our school, I extend my thanks to our respected director ma'am, my colleagues and my students. I am very happy to be a part of this great institution. My best wishes to our bright success of our school. Thank you to all.
Good morning ma'am. We welcome our JPR schools for the 17th year of celebration. JPR schools, a consecrated place of knowledge and trustworthy. Proud to be a part of JPR institution. Thank you, ma'am.
JPR school is a great place for education, safety and door to the future India. I am very proud to be a part of this school.
Good morning to everyone. I am very happy to celebrate our 17th birthday of our JPR Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am also glad to be gifted to be one of the staff in our JPR school. I should be very thankful to our JPR sir, director madam and friendly staffs, loving children, and supporting parents. Once again, I say thanks to everyone. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today I am proud to say that our school, JPR Matriculation Higher Secondary School, has successfully completed the 17th year and is stepping into 18th year from October 5th onwards. In this moment, I take the privilege to thank our founder, Father of Education, Colonel Dr. JPR Sir, who implemented an educational revolution as an individual forerunner with good quality education, food and infrastructure, and also ensures socialism and labour welfare and set an example for other educational institutions. Also, I would like to thank Chairman cum Director Dr. Regina JPR for following the footsteps of our founder and carrying forward the culture further. Thank you.
அன்பார்ந்தவர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இனி வரும் நாட்கள் இனிமையாக அமைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். செவிக்கு உணவு இல்லாத பொழுது சிறிது வயிற்றுக்கும் ஈயப்படும். சிறிது என்பதே இல்லை, அதிகமேதான். வயிறு நிரம்பினால்தான் செவி சொல்வதை கேட்கும். இதை அறிந்த நம் தலைவர்கள் காமராஜர், எம்ஜிஆர் வழியை பின்பற்றிய நமது தந்தை திரு JPR அவர்கள் அக்டோபர் 5ஆம் தேதி 2003 ஆண்டில் நமக்காக நம் கல்வி நிறுவனத்தை தொடங்கி சுமார் 17 ஆண்டுகள் நிறைவுறுவதை நாம் பெருமாப்போடு சொல்லிக் கொள்வதை பெருமையடைகிறோம். அவரின் வழி திருமதி ரெஜினா அவர்களுக்கும் நம்முடைய கல்வி நிறுவனத்திற்கும் நம் ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்கள் என்றும் துணையோடு இருப்போம். நம் கல்வி நிறுவனம் வளமுடன் வாழ்க வாழ்க. நன்றிகள் பல.
Good day to all. What do you do when it is dark inside? You either light a lamp inside or unlock the door to let the light from outside in. About 3 decades ago, one man set himself on the journey to do the same, to let the light in so that we know the unknown. Education is the light to future, and our chairman, late Colonel Dr. JPR, the man with the light, 17 years ago, as a part of the journey in providing education right way, with the wholesome blessings of the Almighty, our chairman started JPR Matriculation Higher Secondary School, and 3 years ago, we branched out to our CBSE wing. With joy, care and education for all still at heart, blessings of Almighty and our chairman, we step into the 18th year of spreading light and fuel the future under the able guidance of Dr. Mrs. Regina JPR. We thank the students, parents, teachers and all well-wishers for helping us to continue our journey. We all know the entire world has hit a rough road, but the journey must go on because education is still the light to the future. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the people who worked for this video in a very short time. My special thanks to the ImageMind staff who rendered their support for this video. My heartfelt thanks to our Director Madam and our management for giving me this opportunity. I would like to extend my thanks to my colleagues, students, non-teaching staffs, parents, and for all those who were a part of this success. Thank you all.